Good afternoon. Today is March 12, 2024, Tuesday, and here are the 3 p.m. SL Visayas draw result for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandaue City. Here are the SL Shore 3 p.m. draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Tuesday, March 12, 2024. Here are the SL Shore 3 p.m. draw result for Mandaue City for under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for March 12, 2024, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for afternoon of March 12, 2024, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.